Changing a tubeless bike tire is one of those oddly intimidating things that, once you understand it step by step, is actually weirdly satisfying, like watching a YouTube video on earwax removal. Gross, but oh, you feel better after. Let's break it down. First, deflate the tire fully and push the bead away from the rim to break the seal. That seal is no joke. Sometimes it's like trying to separate two magnets that are also fighting in divorce court. Use your thumbs and some patience. Some people try to use screwdrivers or metal levers to remove the tire. Don't. That's how you end up with a sliced rim tape and a slow leak for the rest of your life. Get plastic tire levers. Cheap, under $10. Worth it. Once the bead is off, go around the rim and gently work one side of the tire all the way over, then remove the other. You'll probably end up cursing at the tubeless sealant that splashes out. It's like bike tire slime, because that's exactly what it is. Pro tip, have shop towels or paper nearby, and wear gloves if you want to avoid walking around smelling like citrus sealant for 5 hours. That smell does not come out easily. Ask me how I know. Now inspect the tire for thorns, shards, glass, or any evil little objects trying to stab your future rides. Run your fingers slowly inside the rubber. Slowly being the key word, unless you like surprise cuts on your hand. If you're reusing the tire, clean it out and make sure the beads are in decent condition. Bent or torn beads usually mean it's time for replacement, unless you love mid-ride regrets and walking home with your bike. Clean the inside of your rim and check that the tubeless tape is intact. Any bubbles, gaps, or slices can be an open invitation to slow leaks that gradually degrade your will to live. Retape if needed. It's not hard. Just Google it once. When installing the new tire, seat one side of the bead first. It should feel snug but not brutal. Then pour in your sealant, usually around 2 to 3 ounces for a 29er. If you skip that part, you'll just have a fancy flat tire with trust issues. Get the second bead back onto the rim. This is the tricky part. Sometimes it goes on like butter. Other times it's a 10-minute fight to the death, where the tire wins and you're rethinking all your life choices. Now inflate, it helps to have a floor pump with a blast chamber, or even better, a compressor. You need a burst of air to snap the tire beads into place with that satisfying pop-pop sound. It's like ringing the bell at CrossFit, but way nerdier. Spin the wheel and shake it side to side to spread the sealant. If it holds air overnight, you won. Congratulations, you are now officially the kind of person who fixes their own tubeless tires instead of texting bike shop dudes in desperation.